Hello everyone, welcome to Cody's Tech Support. Glad to have you on the channel. If you're a new member here, consider subscribing. If you're an existing member to the community, I'm glad to have you back. And I want to say a special thank you to all the ones that have subscribed to the channel, supported the channel, liked my comment, and the ones that didn't like my content, I'm sorry. But yeah, without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and let's get into this video. First thing we're going to talk about is the Xbox Console Companion app. If you're getting the black bars on the side of your stream or your recordings in your Streamlabs, I know how to fix that. It's actually very simple. I was struggling with this for a while and did not think there was a way to fix it, but there is. Okay guys, so don't open your window all the way up, just leave it where it's smaller. Do not make it the full window. Right here, you want to, when you see these arrows on the side, let me lighten it up so you can see what I'm talking about. But these, just drag it over here, and if you drag it out, you'll be able to see how the black bar came back on each side. Just kind of make that smaller a little at a time till you get rid of it. Till it's completely gone. And it's completely gone on each side. If I went any more than that, it would probably make it show up down here at the bottom, and you don't want that. So after you do that, guys, just go open your game capture, capture a specific window, capture the Xbox Console Companion app, and then right click on it. Once you get it pulled up, right click on it, transform fit to screen, and you will not have no black bars on the side, guys, if you leave it just like this. And if this helped you, drop a like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.